America's Test Kitchen Kids. Hi guys, it's Jordan, and today we're with our sister, Audrey from the channel All Around Audrey. And today we're going to be doing a super fun popcorn experiment, as well as a popcorn taste test to see who can guess the most flavors correctly. So we are going to be using America's Test Kitchen Kids website at www.atkkids.com for this experiment. America's Test Kitchen Kids has kid-approved and kid-tested recipes, experiments, and activities.
There are recipes from grilled cheese cupcakes to the best ever guacamole that you can make for yourself, your friends, and your family.
There are science experiments explaining why cheese melts and why popcorn pops, and there's also DIY projects teaching you how to make sprinkles, cheese, and Nutella, yum! And in addition to all of that, there are cooking techniques from cupcake decorating to plating beautiful food.
On ATK Kids, there's a lot of super fun quizzes and trivia that you can take, as well as activities that focus on design, art, music, science, technology, engineering, and math. There's so many.
So whether you're new to the kitchen or you're a pro at cooking, there are recipes on the site for you. Using America's Test Kitchen Kids website, we are now going to conduct an experiment to figure out why popcorn pops and also the secret to the fluffiest popcorn.
Have you guys ever wondered how popcorn pops? Well, welcome to the Audrey Jones Science Show! So, this is how it all starts. Tiny little droplets inside the kernel begin to expand and turn into steam. And with enough pressure that builds inside the popcorn kernel, the steam pushes against the outer shell until it explodes and almost turns inside out. Yeah, and that is how popcorn is made.
So what makes popcorn fluffy? If we change the amount of water that's inside the kernel, will that affect the way it pops? We're about to find out. Let's conduct this experiment. Okay, wait! Before we begin this experiment, we need to wash our hands thoroughly. We'll be right back.
We're back! Okay, so throughout this experiment, our mom's gonna be helping us place things into the oven and the microwave, because while you're cooking in the kitchen, you should always have your parents' permission or supervision.
Alright, to start off this experiment, we are going to need a bowl, popcorn kernels, and water. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and 1/4 cup of water and put it in the bowl together. There we go. Alright, you will add the water. And then we're gonna put a lid on top and we're gonna label it as hydrated. Yes, there we go.
Perfect.
Okay, so we got the lid. So we are gonna label this because we don't wanna mix it up with our other samples, and we're going to let this sit overnight between 8 and 24 hours. Alright, there we go. I already have some sitting from last night, so I'm gonna swap these out. Here's the ones that I have. And look at how much they've already expanded. Let me show you. So this is before when we just barely put it in water, and this is after 8 to 24 hours. It's pretty crazy.
Science. So next up, we're gonna take 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and place it on the baking sheet.
Alright, now that we have the kernels all spread out, we're gonna pop it in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 4 hours.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go get our mom to put this into the oven, and I'll be right back.
Audrey says you need something placed in the oven.
Oh yeah, can you make this for 2 hours?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm back! Yay! Okay, so I already baked some kernels earlier for a few hours, and it's all cooled down and safe to handle. So the next step is to place it in a bowl and put a lid on it and label it as dehydrated. So let's do that. Alright, this is gonna take some skills to pour it in. Ready, Audrey?
Hey! I did it without dropping any. Hey!
Looks like it's ready too. Alright, so let's add on the lid, and you have a labeler. Yes, you gotta label it. Dehydrated. So now we have our hydrated and our dehydrated all ready to go. Alright, so now that that's all done, we are going to take 3 new big bowls, and we are going to label it as dehydrated, hydrated, and control. Yay! And then I'll start writing dehydrated and hydrated. Alright, so this is going to help us so we don't mix up our samples. Ta-da! There we go. All done. All right, so the next step is to take our hydrated kernels that we let soak overnight and to take a colander and put it in the sink, pour the hydrated kernels into it, and we'll shake it and remove all the excess water, then we'll put it on a paper towel and dab them dry.
Dab them dry.
Okay, all right. You ready for it, Audrey?
Yep.
Woo! Look at that mess! And then dab them dry. Dab them dry. Alright, so now we're gonna set these popcorn kernels aside. And it's time to start popping our popcorn samples! Okay, so the first one we're gonna start with is the control sample. And these are the popcorn kernels that are all original. They have not changed one bit.
All right, the first step is to take 1/4 cup of your control kernels and place it into your paper bag. Then you're gonna take your 1/2 teaspoon and drizzle some vegetable oil onto it. So, whoop.
Ooh, careful.
Making a mess already. And yeah, just drizzle it over.
Fold it 3 times. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Before we pop the control kernels, we're gonna shake the background to coat the kernels in the oil. So, party! Dance party! Yes. Okay, I think it's pretty coated. Let's place it on a microwave-safe plate right here.
And I'll go get our mom to help us cook it in the microwave.
Hey Mom, will you help us microwave the popcorn?
Sure.
Okay.
I think we'll set it for 4 minutes, and then we're just gonna let it pop until we only hear a couple kernels popping like every few seconds, and then we'll take it out.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get my oven mitts on because I think the plate's gonna be pretty hot when it comes out of the microwave.
And now we just have to listen to the pops until there's only a few pops left. You can count to like 4 between the pops, and if you get to like past 4.
It burst a hole through the bag. It's so burst out. Okay,
What?
but I think it's done.
Oh. Let's finish popping first.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I don't want any to pop at me. Okay, now that it's done, we're going to place it here and let that cool because that plate is hot. But look,
We have a little popcorn peeping out. I see you.
little popcorn.
Oh, it smells so much. Gosh, that smells really good.
Okay, I'll get Audrey and you can get back to your experiment.
Alright, so we've been waiting a few minutes and I think the popcorn is all cooled now, so now it's time to pour it into the control bowl. You got it, Audrey?
Yep.
Yes! Oh, it smells really good. Hey, there's some popcorn. Don't want to do.
Alright, so now we're gonna call our mom back in to pop the other 2 samples, and then we'll be right back.
Alright, so here are our samples, and you guys, I think it's pretty obvious which one won. So before all of this experiment started, we both predicted that the hydrated kernels were gonna make the fluffiest popcorn because more water, more steam, wouldn't that equal like it to be fluffier? That's what we thought until we actually tried this experiment. So let's show you the results. Here's the control. So we have this entire big bowl of popcorn plus
a bag of
full.
popcorn.
It still has more. Then here's the dehydrated. I mean, it's like half a bowl and they're like mini kernels. So it's okay. And then here's the hydrated. What?
The hydrated hardly did anything.
What? That's crazy.
All right, taste test time. Let's see how they taste. Let's start with the control.
Okay.
Thumbs up. Just like real popcorn. Okay,
Okay.
dehydrated.
Go for this one, a bigger piece.
It's harder.
Yeah, it's crunchier.
Hydrated.
No.
Ah! Very crunchy. Yeah, definitely control is the winner here.
Good job, control.
If you guys decide to do this experiment, let us know how your results went.
So America's Test Kitchen Kids website has a lot of fun recipes to help you get cooking like a pro, but they also have a new cookbook out called The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs, and it has a lot of fun recipes like the most awesome ever cupcakes and more.
They will also be publishing board books for your little brothers and sisters that include everything from the ABCs of food to the 1, 2, 3s of a farm and pizza.
Yeah, so get your parents and have them check out America's Test Kitchen Kids books. Alright, so now we are going to do a taste test challenge where we try and guess different flavors of popcorn that our mom set up for us. Let's go. Woo! They're back here. Alright, we're gonna start on my side and work our way down to Audrey's, and we're gonna see who can get the most correct from this challenge. This should be pretty fun. All ready? Like, okay, the first one, just look at this. It's very colorful, so I'm very curious as to what it is.
Ooh, okay, let's try it. It's like pink or red.
Okay, ready? Cheers. Blink.
Mmm, tastes good. It's like cherry. That's my guess. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon? Cinnamon!
Yeah! 1 point for me. How'd you think it was cherry?
I don't know, I guess now that wait.
It's more the
The
aftertaste.
aftertaste, yeah. I didn't really get the aftertaste. I think it was the color that was tricking me.
Yeah. Okay.
You got a point. Ding. Alright. This is the next popcorn. Just looks like butter popcorn. Alright. Ready?
Ooh.
Ooh, mine's really saturated.
I think it's like buttered caramel or something.
I was gonna say cinnamon roll.
Oh, I think it's like caramel.
Let's see.
Yeah! Cheesy caramel corn.
So wait, do you get a point?
I mean,
you
I said
do.
caramel.
I said cinnamon roll. Wow, my taste buds are off today. Okay, so Audrey's at 2 points. I'm at 0.
Boss.
All right, let's taste. I'm kind of worried for this one.
What?
It doesn't really have a taste.
I'm gonna just butter. There's
Yeah,
like
butter.
no flavor.
Butter.
Butter! Yeah! Yeah, it had no flavor.
We both get a point. Yay! Okay, next one. This just looks like plain popcorn.
This one looks good.
I know this. Oh wait, no I don't. Oh wait, I like it. What? It's like onions.
Yeah, it's like onion, parmesan. It's like cheesy.
Cheesy onions. I'm gonna say cheesy onion.
I'm gonna say parmesan onion.
Ooh, okay. Garlic parmesan.
Okay, oh I guess parmesan, but we didn't guess garlic. We guessed onion.
Nobody gets a point. Why? All right, let's try the next popcorn. It looks like it has cinnamon on it. This one looks interesting. Oh my gosh, it smells like spicy chili. Wait a second, I gotta try it again. Oh, the tip of my tongue is sizzling.
I'm guessing like chili, lemon chili.
Yeah, I was gonna say lime chili.
Oh, tastes good though.
Chili lime.
But it's really spicy. Lime chili. Yeah! Chili lemon.
Wait, I think I got half a point here.
I got it.
A chili lemon. Okay, so I said chili lime. I'm gonna give myself half a point. I can still taste the spice.
3, 2, 1.
Ranch.
Ranch!
Ranch.
Yeah, boy!
Ranch is good, but the white cheddar's better.
Oh? What happened here?
I think the popcorn, it looks like it's burnt, but I don't think that's burnt. I think that's the flavoring. Is it like root beer? Soda popcorn? Sweet! After all that savory,
Ooh, I don't
to
like
go
this
to
one.
sweet.
Ew. Chocolate? It's brown, so it could be.
It tastes like burnt chocolate.
It does. It tastes like burnt chocolate. Like, this one got baked for a little bit too long.
I think so too. It's like burnt chocolate.
Why do I keep eating it?
Oh. I don't know, burnt chocolate. Chocolate. With a tad bit of burnt. I think we both get a point. Okay, down to the last 3.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it looks really saturated. It looks like orange. Just like, I got a, mine's like neon orange. I need to try one. Oh, I know what it is.
Mine wasn't that spicy.
What is this? I don't know, but the more I eat it, the more I'm like, I don't like it. Like it's like jalapeno?
But it's not spicy.
I think it's like nachos with jalapeno.
Yeah, I'm just gonna guess jalapeno.
I'm guessing nachos.
Bacon cheddar?
Ew. Let's think about it. Nachos have a base of chips.
Okay,
and they
no,
can have
no
bacon and then they have nacho cheese.
No point.
Man,
Oh,
okay.
this is another neon one.
Ooh. What is it gonna be? Oh no. I'm feeling it's gonna be spicy.
I hope not.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
Cheddar! Cheesy jalapeno! We both get a point. Wow! Okay.
Please be a good one.
The ending, the finale is
What?
the green
What?
popcorn. I just jalapeno again. Okay then.
What is this?
It's so spicy from the jalapeno, I can't taste the flavor.
What is this? Grass? I don't know. Tastes like nothing. I'm guessing grass. Just because it's green.
Grass? I'm gonna guess watermelon, I don't know.
Blue raspberry.
The raspberry and green? What?
I don't think so.
Guess the colors can be deceiving. Okay, well I think you won.
Yay! Open popcorn keister.
Good job, Master Stove.
Alright, be sure to check out America's Test Kitchen Kids website and comment down below letting me know some of the recipes and experiments you tried because I may want to try them for myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn from red to gray, and I'll see you all next time.